In this video, I'm going to teach you how to combine files in Bluebeam Revu. So in order to do that, you first need to head over first to bluebeam.com and you should be able to see right here this. So you need to get access by clicking on this get started. You can also try it free by clicking onto this right here and you will get 14 days of free trial. Now on there you can also buy the actual accounts. So you buy in your service or the software by clicking on buy now. Once you have access, proceed to click on Login in order to log in directly on Bluebeam. So we've already downloaded the software itself and here is what it looks like. So to combine files, what you can do is you just need to choose or use right here the file option. Click on File. Then after that, we have in here the option for combine. So click on this right here. And then in here, you just need to add right here the files. You can either add every open files, which is this two that I have, or you can also add one directly from our computer. Let's proceed to add this one. Click on open, and then this should be added right here once it's done loading. Once it's done with the actual loading process, you can head over and click on OK right here. And then after that, they should be able to open document 1, which contains all of the projects as well as all of the files that we have available right here. When you head over it right there onto the thumbnails, we have the floor plan and we have in here the second file. And into the very last pages, we have in here the third file. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything that you need into Bluebeam Revu. If you have any questions, you can comment them down below as well, and we will try our best to answer. Thanks for watching.